Ready to launch your own online course and finally turn your knowledge into income? There's never been a better time. With Learnworlds, you get everything you need to create, manage, and sell beautiful professional online courses, all without needing to be tech wizard. From interactive videos, quizzes, certificates, landing pages, to marketing tools, Learnworlds is the all-in-one platform trusted by thousands of course creators worldwide. And here's the part you've been waiting for. Get 30% off your first 2 months on Pro Trainer Plus plans, but only for a limited time. That's right, real savings to get you started strong. Whether you're teaching fitness, design, marketing, or even dog training. Don't let this chance pass you by. Click the link below and apply the LearnWords coupon code and grab your 30% off deal right now. Start building your course empire today and let LearnWorlds do the heavy lifting. Again, 30% off for 2 months, Pro Trainer plus plan, limited time offer. Add your coupon code or referral link here. Knowledge is power, and now it can be your business. Take action and turn your skills into impact with LearnWorlds today. Opportunities don't wait, and neither should you. If you've been dreaming about creating a course, now's the time to make it real. Your knowledge deserves an audience. Your audience is waiting. Let LearnWorlds take you there. Thank you for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.